Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In this video, I'm going to give you guys the 9 EMA and the 20 EMA crossover trading script for TradingView. I'm going to give it to you guys for free. But before I do, I'm going to show you guys how it works, okay? So stay tuned if you're interested in getting it, and I'll share with you guys how you can download it in just a second and implement it into your TradingView techniques. All right, hold on just a second. Let me share my screen with you. Here we go. Here it is right here. I have it up here in the settings. You can modify it there by clicking on the settings feature. Another good thing about it is that you can customize the script. You can change the colors. You can also choose which EMA crossovers you like to trade, and you can modify it and click OK there. And these lines will automatically, dynamically change. Okay, so this is how you trade it. As these lines cross over, that's the point at which you want to enter a trade. Now, it works a lot of the time. Sometimes it doesn't, but most of the times it does. And so right here, you can see this red line right here. Let me see if I can blow it up for you guys. Right here, as this line starts to make its way through, you choose to go long and you can ride it up. Now, how do you know where to ride it up to or try to ride it up to? Well, a lot of people would want to say, well, I want to get it up here. I want to make as much money as I can. I want to get it right here. Well, the thing you want to look at is you want to look at other supply zones. And here's one right here. Boom. So if you would have taken this trade, you could have entered right in here when the line crossed, and you could have ridden it up to this little supply zone. And this supply zone is this little area right here before a big move down, that little wick before a big move down. So let's go ahead. Let's say you were going to do a short. Well, once this rolls over and once the red line starts to cross the blue line, you jump into a trade and you go short. Okay? How do you know how far to go short? Well, typically price seems to like shoot down faster than it does go up, but I do kind of the same thing. I look for a demand zone, which is right there, and I could take a very quick profit. But you can also, if you look back in time, hold on a second, you can see here that there is another area a little bit lower down. You could actually mark it right there where things have bounced off twice. So you could have ridden it down a little bit further and taken a profit and made more money. So if you guys are interested in this, please look down below, subscribe to the channel, give me one of these. It helps out. Give me a thumbs up. That helps me out. Helps other people find my channel. So let me go ahead and share with you guys how you can download this. It's free, as I mentioned. But what you can do is go to my description of the video. Click, go to the main description area, click more, and you will see a link, and that link will bring you over to this page over on Gumroad. I have it listed over here for free. All you have to do is, let's see here. All you have to do is click this little pink button right here. I want one. What's it say? I want one. I want this. Sorry, something's blocking my screen here. And it'll bring you down to here. And in here, all you have to do is type 0 and then you click I want it, and then you'll be prompted to be able to download it. So just remember, I have little instructions right here also. Just type 0 if you guys like the script or you're appreciating my free indicators, then you can give me a tip if you want. All you have to do is come in here and let's say you want to give me $5, whatever you feel is fine with me. But at least please just like the channel, like the video, subscribe. That helps me out. All right, thanks guys for watching. I'll be adding more videos soon, and add a comment if you are interested in any kind of other tools. Let me know in the comments below and I will try to make that for you. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and have a great day. All right, bye-bye.